In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips to help you keep your teen's room clean and tidy. Tip number 1, have a laundry basket for clean clothes and dirty clothes. I know, crazy, right? But my teens in my house do not like to fold clothes right away when they come out of the dryer. So I have implemented a system of having a basket just for clean clothes. And when they have the time and feel like it, they can fold those clothes and put them away. It keeps the space in the room clutter-free and keeps clothes off the floor. Tip number 2, encourage your teen to make their bed every morning. I know it's a difficult one, but having a made bed every morning does help the appearance of their bedroom look more tidy and put together. And it is a good habit to have as they move into their adult life. Tip number 3, pick a day and time once a week for them to clean and tidy up their room. It's just a weekly habit. It's on their calendar and they know they need to get it done. The more they do it, the easier it'll be and less of a mess, so it'll go quickly as time goes on. Tip number 4, keep storage solutions simple and easy to maintain. The simpler it is, the more likely your teen will be able to maintain an organized space. Remember, every item needs to have a home. Tip number 5, remember to lead by example. Keep your space clean and tidy, and your teen will see the benefits of living in an organized space. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you enjoy content like this, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy organizing!